Hello, my dear students. Today we will solve question number 7 on viewer's request from exercise 13.1, chapter 13, statistics, CBSE class 10, maths. So let us start question number 7. To find out the concentration of SO2, sulfur dioxide, in the air in parts per million, that is ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city is presented below. So concentration of SO2 in ppm and frequency. So from 0.00 to 0.04 frequency 4, 0.04 to 0.08 frequency 9, 0.08 to 0.12 frequency 9, 0.12 to 0.16 frequency 2, 0.16 to 0.20 frequency 4, and 0.20 to 0.24 frequency 2. So find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. So solution: to find the mean concentration of SO2, we use the formula x bar or x mean is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So this is known as direct method. Now concentration in ppm, frequency fi, class mark xi, and fi multiplied by xi. So this is known as class and this is the frequency given in the question. So first we will find out the class mark or the midpoint of the class. So this is the class. So we will find out the class mark or midpoint of this class. So how we will find out the class mark? We will find out the class mark by the lower limit of the class plus upper limit of the class divided by 2. So 0.00 plus 0.04 by 2. So class mark कितना है 0.02 and 0.04 plus 0.08 divided by 2. So class mark कितना आया 0.06 and 0.08 plus 0.12 divided by 2. class mark कितना है 0.10 and 0.12 plus 0.16 divided by 2. class mark कितना आया 0.14 and 0.16 plus 0.20 divided by 2. class mark कितना आया 0.18 and 0.20 plus 0.24 divided by 2. class mark कितना आया 0.22. Now we will find out the fi xi. So how we will find out fi multiplied by xi? We will multiply the frequency with class mark. So we will multiply 4 into 4 multiplied by 0.02, so is equal to 0.08. 9 multiplied by 0.06 is equal to 0.54. 9 multiplied by 0.10 is equal to 0.90. 2 multiplied by 0.14 is equal to 0.28. And 4 multiplied by 0.18 is equal to 0.72. And 2 multiplied by 0.22 is equal to 0.44. So we will do the total of this. So we will get सिग्मा fi इज इक्वल टू 30. इन सभी का टोटल जो है ये आया 30. फ्रीक्वेंसी का टोटल 30 जिसको हम लिखते हैं सिग्मा fi. और इस सब का हम टोटल करेंगे. इसका टोटल ऑफ ऑल दिस इज सिग्मा fi xi इज इक्वल टू, इन सब का टोटल किया तो आया 2.96. सो नाउ formula x bar or x mean is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Now put the value of sigma fi xi and sigma fi. So is equal to 2.96 अपॉन 30. 30 से इसको डिवाइड किया तो x बार और x मीन इज इक्वल टू 0.0987 ppm. अब इसको हमने राउंडेड अप टू 3 decimal places. So how we will round up? We will, if the number is or digit at this place is 5 or more, then we'll increase 1 to the this digit. So x bar is equal to 0.099 ppm. Now, so the mean concentration of SO2 in the air is 0.099 ppm. Answer: concentration of SO2 in the air is equal to 0.099 ppm. If you have any doubt in this question, write your comments. I will reply. With this, best of luck. Thank you.